Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you a tip to customize your heads-up toolbar, which is really useful toolbar in Solidworks. So let's get started. We have the toolbar right here known as the heads-up toolbar. I think for the version 20 and 21 once installed, this tool will be right here already. If not like this, just turn it on by clicking on the small arrow and selecting the tool menu. Click on this small thing to keep on options. Show up like this if you want to. Then inside the tool menu, selecting the customize, and then we pick the toolbars sections. There are many toolbars you can choose here. Choosing assembly, the new toolbar we show over here, or or sketch, the new toolbar we show over there. On this one, the new toolbar will show up here, so it's on your choice. But now just rolling down and select the heads up. There we go, and click OK. It will be up here. So let's customize your heads up. I'm gonna show you another way to go to customize menu by going to the options button at the very top here, selecting customize. There we go. And then choose comment text. When you get there, find something you want to laser on that area. It's up to you. Just thinking about which one you use quite often. Then drag it over there. For me, I would like to add normal to view to my heads up. I highly recommend this tool. Just drag it here. And I also would like to add those on my heads up. Drag it here and waiting for the green plus mark and then release it. Those options can help me to see my objects in other views. And one more thing that I use quite frequently, which is measure in Tool tab. If you change your mind and want to delete it, just drag it back over this area. Everywhere you can see press bookmark and release it, and it disappear. If you want to save some more space up there for other thing you like, you can use the Tombox widgets in all the views tools, especially normal view, which is really helpful. Just click on spacebar. The box name orientations will pop up. I usually set it on this corner, and if you want to keep it here, just click on this small thing. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching.